Following the grand jury's decision, the public can now view all of the evidence presented. There's a lot of it. Channel 2's Carrie Cavanaugh went through some of the key testimony with two local attorneys. Now new at 6. Carrie, live with what they believe was the most significant piece of evidence that the grand jury reviewed.
Justin, the grand jury spent 3 months reviewing scientific reports, interviews, and listening to witnesses. Both attorneys I spoke with say by far that key piece of evidence was the officer's own testimony that now lives in this 100-page transcript. We will never know the tone set for the Missouri grand jury that declined to indict Ferguson police officer Darren Wilson. We do now know the abundance of evidence that grand jury received. We asked Patterson and Phil Holloway, another attorney and former police officer, to review some of it with us. Both agree with conflicting witness testimony. Jurors likely gave the officer's testimony the most credence. Wilson told jurors the deceased, Michael Brown, attacked him while he was inside his police car. Quote, "I felt like a 5-year-old holding on to Hulk Hogan." Wilson told jurors he doesn't carry a taser and that he warned Brown, "Get back or I'm going to shoot you," at which point he says Brown grabbed his gun.
The autopsy showed a close contact wound to the hand or finger of Mr. Brown. So that gives credence. It corroborates. I think under the circumstances of this case, this prosecutor had no choice but to give every relevant bit of information.
Live in the newsroom, Carrie Cavanaugh, Channel 2 Action News.
Nearly a year after a botched response to a winter storm, the head of the Georgia